Here's a fun, quick, and easy craft that you can do with just one envelope. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day crafting with everyday items. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. And thank you to everyone who is just so kind and so supportive in my comments. It means the world to me. Today, we're going to craft with a common everyday item, an envelope. And I'm going to show you how to take this one envelope and turn it into something that you can really use, especially as we go into the Christmas season. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera and we're going to make this together. All right, y'all, so what I have here is an envelope, and this envelope measures 5 3/4 by 4 3/8. So this is going to be a very easy project. It's going to be one of those projects that you will soon realize you can do in just a matter of minutes. So how easy is this? So let's take that envelope and let's just fold it in half like this. Easy peasy. Then I'm going to take some ink and a little finger sponge. I get these from the Dollar Tree. And I am just going to ink this all the way around. I don't care how it looks. I am just adding some ink to the edges. Might even get some in the middle. Really doesn't matter. Then I'm going to open it so that I can ink here on the inside as well. And so now I've inked the inside as well as the outside. Now I'm going to open this because we are going to just angle to separate these two tops here. And if you don't feel as though you have enough ink on there, you can go back and add some more ink. In fact, I think that I might just add a little bit more. Don't really need it, but I'll add it. So now we've taken that envelope and we folded it in half and we have created two separate compartments because, y'all, we are going to take this envelope and really dress it up and turn it into something unique. So I'm going to bring in some scrap paper and I'm going to cut a piece that is 4 1/8 by 2 1/2. Then I'm going to take a piece of this scrap and I'm going to cut a piece at 2 by 3 7/8. And then I'm just going to go around the edges of this piece so that it's not so stark. And now I'm going to take my tape runner, put some tape on the back, and we are going to mount this to this piece, like that. All right, y'all, so what I have here, I've just mounted some stickers to some brown cardstock, and we're going to put this down just to create a little look for the front of this. So I'm going to take my tape runner and we're going to add some tape because now we're basically at the decorating part of this. So I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to add some tape to this one. And we're going to take this one and put it right here. And I'll just open it. And then on my sticker sheet, I have some little coffee beans. So I'm just going to peel off some of these coffee beans and just put them on like this. These are washi stickers, so they do have that background to them, but that's okay. I am fine with how this looks, and I'm just adding just a few stickers. I'm not going to overdo it on those stickers. So there we have those. Then I have a sticker that says coffee, and I'm going to go ahead and just take this sticker and we're going to put it right there. I'm not going to mount it. So now I'm going to open the inside, and I have created this one that we're going to put here. Y'all, these are just stickers that I stuck on some brown cardstock. And so now we have that one there. I'm going to take this one and just show you how easy it is, what I did. So we're going to take this, put it on here like this, and then I'm just going to cut it out. And I think I'll just go around this one like that. And then I'm going to take this and we're just going to tuck it in right here. So I'm going to add just a little bit of tape, and we're going to take it and tuck it right there. And then across the top here I have this flower. I don't know what coffee bean flowers look like, but because it's on the paper, I'm assuming that it must be the flower of a coffee bean plant. If I'm wrong, leave me a comment and let me know what this is, but I think it's cute, so I'm going to use it on this project. And I have a sticker that says coffee shop, and we're just going to tuck that right in there, keeping this very simple. And then here on the back, I'm going to take this little coffee cup and put it right there. So now we have this decorated from the front to the back, and now I'm going to take my piercer and I'm just going to pierce 2 holes right here on the spine, fairly close together. And then I'll take that piercer and I'll go all the way through to make the hole larger. And then I have some twine. I have added a little bit of glue right here because I'm going to share with you a trick that I do to keep my twine from unraveling when I want to thread it through something. So I'm just going to take that twine and add a little bit of glue to the tip on both ends. And then when that glue dries, I'll be able to feed it through. All right, so now that this is dry, we're going to go ahead and just feed it through. So I'll feed it through separately. And you see how easily that went through without unraveling? That's what you want. So I'm going to take this one and go through this end as well. So now I have these 2 pieces here. I have a button that I'm going to put right there. And I'm going to give the button just a little bit of lift by using a foam dot. So let's just, or foam tape. So let's just take that and put it right there. So now we have that on. I'm going to go back to the inside because I want to take some of my leftover beans and just put them on this piece right here. Just adding a little bit of charm and whimsy. I'm going to take this little leaf part here and put it right there. So now we have this. We can take this and we can put it in our pocket right there. So when you want to write a note, you just write the note on there, put it in the pocket. And on this side, you can make it a gift card holder. So let's take this little fake Starbucks card that I printed and put it in here. Now, I am going to make just a little notch right there so the person getting this will know that there's something inside. So we can tuck that there. When you put your real gift card in here, or if you want to put cash in here, you can now take this and seal it so that this part can't be opened. And if you wanted to seal that, you can as well. So let's close it. Let's take that twine and wrap it around the button like that. I'm going to cut off some of that twine. And now what we have is the cutest little coffee-themed gift card holder. You can make this and theme it for anything, but y'all, all you need is one envelope, just one. You can use a larger envelope if you want, but you only need one envelope, and then section it off to make it into what you want it to be. I think that this is just absolutely adorable. I love the simplicity of it. And I know that I'll be able to use something like this as we go into the holiday season. So I also made this one. It's made just like this one using one envelope. But I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick, and easy way that you can take one envelope and turn it into this. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, all day, every day, this is what we do, and this is how we do it, and I would love to have you subscribe. So hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video. As always, my beautiful, handcrafty friends, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.